Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to allow Gemini to capture information from your screen. So go ahead and open Gemini, guys, and you want to go ahead and ensure that you switch your language to 2.0. If you're not working with the 2.0 model, you can switch it there. And once you go ahead and select 2.0, click your profile in the upper right hand side, then go to settings. Now from here you'll find the option that says screen context, and this will allow Gemini to capture information on your screen. So you want to open this model, you want to open up these options, and here you will see analyze on-screen text. Ensure that this is turned on. If this is turned off, then it won't do it. So if you don't want to have it, you can turn this option off. If you want to have it, ensure that analyze on-screen text is turned on. You also have other options such as analyze on-screen for images, flash screen as well. You can turn it on. Of course, you can also see the digital assistant app option here. So it's currently set to Google, which it should be, right? So you want to ensure that that is set. You have the language, you have the screen output, you also have offline screen recognition. So that's it, guys. That's how to allow Gemini to capture information on your screen. Very easy and very simple.